Did you know that you can publish your own ebook or printed book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for free? My marketing school has a course that will teach you an over the shoulder on how to do this. Basically, learn how to get your own ebook and printed book on Amazon. Okay, this is a course that's over 1 hour, and it's 1 hour and 17 minutes, and it will be showing you how to be on the platform, and it'll show in this lesson, in this tutorial, it'll show you a book being published right in front of you, an ebook and a printed book, and listing it on the Amazon website for free. Okay? So basically, in order to watch this course, there'll be a link in the description of this video if you're on YouTube, or if you're on the sales page of My Marketing School that looks like this. You'll just scroll down. You can read throughout the course description and what it tells you about. And then down here is a button to click purchase. And if you're already a member, you just log in and this will show up. And if you're not a member, you just click the information for you to sign up real quick. And then this will show up the purchase. And then you'll be able to log into the members area here, and then go to the download page. It'll send you an email letting you know what to do. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope that you have some type of idea where you always wanted to publish your own book and you needed a tutorial and over the shoulder step by step where you are shown as you're on the website what to do from step one all the way to the end, from making the book, publishing it, and listing it. Thanks for watching.